Today we are doing lesson 8.8 in your Go Math practice book. We are reviewing how to choose the best tool to measure with. We're on page 197. The directions say to choose the best tool for measuring the real object, then measure and record the length or distance. So, to measure these two objects, would you use an inch ruler, a yardstick, or a measuring tape? The length of your desk. If you do not have a desk, then choose something else that might be similar in size. What tool would you use? Which one of these? And then measure and tell me the length. The distance around a basket, so a waste basket is what they're talking about here. What tool would you use for that? And how long is it? What's the length? How many inches? Number 3, Mark wants to measure the length of his room. Should he use an inch ruler or should he use a yardstick? Here comes the yardstick. Which one would be best? Mark should use blank. And it's right here, inch ruler or yardstick. Because, and tell us why. Then turn your paper over. And at the top, Kim wants to measure the distance around her bike tire. Which is the best tool for her to use? Which one would she use to measure a bike tire? Ben wants to measure the length of a seesaw. Which is the best tool for him to measure a seesaw? Number 3, what is the best estimate for the length of a sheet of paper? So think about this paper right here. What's the best estimate? 1 foot, 3 feet, 6 feet, 10 feet. Number 4, Andy has a rope that is 24 inches long. He cuts off 7 inches from the rope. How long is the rope now? You need to make a T here so that you can do this work. So he starts with 24 inches and he cuts off 7 inches. Will you add or subtract that to get your answer? And number 5, Jan is telling her friend about using a ruler to measure length. Which sentence is true? 3 inches is longer than 1 foot. 1 foot is shorter than 3 inches. 1 foot is longer than 12 inches. 12 inches is the same length as 1 foot. Which one of these is correct? When you've completed all of those, your assignment will be done.